Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to change Google Pay password. So basically, if you want to change Google Pay password, what you're gonna do, you can just go ahead into, if you want to Google Pay password, just go ahead, open your Google Pay app on your Android device, and then at the top, tap on your photo, and then privacy and security. Step 3, follow. Now select the use Google PIN, and then tap forgot PIN, and then basically that's for PIN. But if you want to find or to know if you forgot your password, you can reset it quickly and easily. Just go for the Google Pay app, click the forgot password link, and then follow the instructions. You will need to enter your email address, addresses associated with your account to enter a new password twice, and you're all set. So basically, it's easy as that. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching, and we will definitely see you in the next one.